Looking for the silver bullet to solve stitching problems with thin, stretchy knits? We have it! The Stretchy Knit Kit was designed for success with all kinds of tricky, lightweight knits, including multi-directional stretch knits and moisture-wicking Dri Fit knits. With the Stretchy Knit Kit, you can conquer puckering and keep outlines on track. Here's what you get: 20 needles that are ideal for lightweight knits, instructions for best results when working with this fabric type, written by embroidery expert Deborah Jones, 50 pieces of fusible no-show mesh, 50 pieces of Polypro Performance, 50 pieces of Stable Sport woven stabilizer, and 50 pieces of medium soft tearaway. Just select the kit that includes your needle type when ordering. Either flat shank needles or round shank needles are available. Remember, complete instructions are included. Just order and you'll be on your way to beautiful embroidery on any knit material.